Hello, everybody. We are the Six Dogs. I think you've seen us before in one of the videos. It's called The Circus Show. You should watch it if you haven't. And if you have watched it, you know who we are. So this video is about us in our house, and this is not it. There's more. And also there's going to be like the most sound effect video, and some of them are just random. Like probably like that one. So it's going to be like kind of random. And it's going to be in this video, but it's also going to be about us. So we'll see you in this video. And there's going to be random sound effects. So the show is about to start. Boss, did I say that right? No, you didn't. You're supposed to say, let's get started. Let's get started? Boss, that didn't feel right. Boss, that didn't feel right! Y'all, I forgot to save the... Where am I? Y'all, I forgot to save the blooper because I accidentally did the video like this, and then like my mom and dad said, maybe you should actually do like this so then people can see the screen better. And I'm like, okay, I'll try to remember, and I did. And I've made a ton more videos, and I have done that, and this has like been like a month, 2 months after. So it's September right now. September something, like, maybe, who knows? And I just went, like, I forgot to save it. I accidentally deleted it, but probably shouldn't have done this way because, like, you can't really see it's better. But this way, you can see so much better, right? Yes, you can! Guys, I changed my name. Do you remember what it is? It's Leafy. Yeah, but that's still kind of a boring name, but no one really cares that much. But at least it's better than Nerfla. I know, that was the most, like, dumbest name in the world. But at least you changed it. Yeah, that was the most dumb name. Oh, this show's amazing. Don't just sit up now. I'm so tired. You made me wake up for nothing. So what am I supposed to do? This show. It's not that cool anyways. Yeah, why did... Oh my god, Kiki! Yeah, this show is boring. I don't really like it as much. I don't know why I woke up either. So annoying. Okay, I'm going back to sleep. Actually, you know what? I'm already awake, so whatever. Oh, fine. Let's go eat breakfast. Okay. Nice! Finally something good, not boredom. I'm boredom from it. Inside Out 2. Please watch that movie. You have to see Inside Out 1, so then you would understand everything. Let's get the plates. 1, there you go. 2, 3, and 4. Give me the blue one! Okay. There you go, younger one. Sorry about the plate problem, bruh. I think you did that on purpose. Oh, I'm gonna get a bone, and can someone get me a bone for me, please? Just, bro, stop being so insane. So, I mean, it's fine, but just maybe not in the morning. Get the bone for me. Manners, please. Man, that felt weird. I'll get mine. Everything. There you go, little one. Yay! No. God, why do I keep forgetting that? Sorry, y'all. Bring it to me. The air is going to bring it to you. No one really cares. See, the air just brought it to you. And it's about to do your water bottle. I'm not getting it for you. I'm getting myself something, but not you anything. Why did you do that? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You know what? Air, please just take it. Yes, Air, please take mine too. And mine, thank you very much. And all of our waters. You know, you guys should do better. You're treating me not very nicely. Because I don't like to do this all the time. Sorry, Wind. It's not our fault. It's just... I don't know whose fault it is, but it's not our fault. Why we have to carry stuff. That's their fault. It's super annoying. God. Let's go sit down, y'all. The dishwasher's behind us, but I'm not going to use it. No one likes to wash stuff, especially me. The Wind is just going to take care of it. Guys, it's not... Oh, nice yummy food. Wonder what the Wind's up to now. Guys, you know I'm right above you and I'm super good at you! Ah! I have no clue where you are, so I can't really know you are ever. Because you are invisible. Haha. Oh, guys, we should probably not be being mean to the Wind. Yeah, unless we couldn't breathe. You guys are right, so you said... You should just like me. Who knows where you are, but you're actually everywhere, so I'm just going to say, maybe you're up there. Yeah. I'm over the next way! Go to my right. No, my right. Yeah, I'm right there. Hello. Thank you for being nice to me. Now I'm going to go sleep in the air. Ah, so nice. Oh, wait, this is the cat furry bed. Oh, no, it's the cat furry bed! This is better. So nice and calm. And also, oh, God. Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Huh? Huh? Where am I? Oh, I'm back in the... Hello. I'm just gonna have to fly to their house. Oh, I forgot. And I think their house just fell apart. Yeah, let's just go. Guys, I'm back. You don't want to know where I was. I'm almost done. Same. I'm not almost done. I'm a slow eater too. I can't eat anything, so yeah. It's kind of sad, even though it looks super yummy. Can I have it? No, it's mine. Fine. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's kind of weird how I'm actually able to do this. Actually, able to sleep. Did you guys breathe at all? We did, but not as well. I know. That was a Good, brother. Oh, brother. Ah! Don't worry, I'll help. Oh, boy. What happened? Oh, gosh. Are you okay? At least I picked up the TV. That was hard. And I got the water bottles, but I don't know if he's actually alive. Friends matter more than TVs. They don't. Yes, they do! What the? Did I fall? Yes, you did. And you kind of did everything. It was actually kind of your fault and your fault at the same time, but it wasn't any of our faults. Yeah, sorry. That's kind of annoying. So, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here, I'll help clean up. You just made it worse! Guys, I told you I would help. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Didn't know that we could do that. Thank you. Oh, ding. That was super nice. Thanks, wind. / air. Bruh. Wind, can you please clear our dishes? Sure. That would be super helpful. And also, I love cleaning up stuff sometimes. I really don't though. Just so you know. Wow. Thanks so much, wind / air. Thank you for cleaning up all our mess, even though it was our fault. Oh no, it's okay. It's basically just what I do. Why aren't you speaking? Why are you speaking it? And me! Oh, we're speaking Australian! I know, I helped you go into the air with me for just a second, so you could say that. But just really thank you so much for cleaning up everything. It was our fault. We're super sorry. No, it's okay. It doesn't matter anymore. Now that I think about it, the show is actually kind of nice now. I know, I showed you it. Yeah, it is actually better than the last time. The first episodes are kind of boring. I guess it gets more into the show than the last episodes. That's what mostly every single show does. What a nice show. Thanks for watching. And special shout out to the wind. Just kidding. But I technically actually was a special shout out. Yeah, right. Hi, Reen. Kiki. And also special shout out to the cat. Special shout out. This guy's funny. He's our brother also. He's my brother. These two guys are brothers. This one and this one are brothers, and me and that guy are brothers. There you go. I'm telling you that chair is the cat chair. Yeah, we know, and we've been in it before. I mean, it's kind of nice, but furry, catty. So much cat fur on it. I've been on it too. Our dog Charlie wasn't in the show. He's at our grandma's. So, bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!